There's a light at the end of the darkness. The last step is always the hardest, but we fight it and we push against a wall that's caving in. It's not power that makes you the strongest.
Yeah.
There's a dream that waits like a tiger, an ember that grows to a fire.